Hello everyone, welcome to Creating Success Path channel. So in this video, we will solve RRB MOCK-1 quant questions. So without any delay, let's solve. So I hope everyone is able to see the screen. So this is the first question and it is a line-based DI. So first of all, you have to take the data out of this graph so that there will be 5 questions you can solve easily with the help of the table. So we will solve with the help of timer here. You also pause the video and try to sort take table in less amount of time. Okay, so let's start. So here the bar is P Q R S T, and what are there? Burgers plus pizzas are there, is sandwiches plus pizzas are there, and pizzas are there, right? So here they are adding the pizzas. So first take the pizzas, how many they sold. So how many they sold? So each one is 20, 20, 20, 20. So 4 lines 180. E is 180 pizzas and Q is 100 and R is 140 and S is 100 and T is 200. So find the number of burgers plus pizza. This blue line is burgers plus pizza. Burgers plus pizza is 220. So burgers plus pizza 220 means how many burgers will come here? Burgers 220. 40 plus 180 is 220. So your burgers plus pizza is 340. Here 340 means it will come 240. Here burgers plus pizza is 200. So remaining means 200 minus 140 is 60. If burgers plus pizzas are 360, that means 260, because already here 100 is there and T here is 260. 260 means remaining burgers will be 6. You understand the table now? So what are the number of sandwiches? Sandwiches orange color line is 320. 320 means already 180 there, so 180 plus 140 is 320 and this is 180. 180 already 100, already 100 there, so remaining sandwiches will become 80. Here 180 in 80 means how much? This is 280. 280 means 140 plus 140, 280. Here S is 160 means here 60 plus 100. I am writing individually burgers, sandwiches, pizzas. I am not adding here pizzas to this table. And here 300. 300 means remaining will be 100. See, in 2.5 minutes make the table. Right? We can do this. Now we will solve the problem. Shop T, selling price of each burger and sandwich is 110 and 150. So each burger is 110 and each sandwich is 8 and each sandwich is 150 rupees, right? So what they're asking, sir, plus 103 pizzas, then sold all burgers, pizzas, sandwiches for 1000, and the sum of all these will become 35,100, right? So don't multiply all these things easily. 0 0 cancel, here 0 0 cancel, here 0 0 cancel, here 0 0 cancel. That means 66 plus 150 plus 2 into pizzas is equal to 356. This will become 216. We subtract from 356, 2p become 140. So pizza will become, each pizza costs of 70 rupees. So this is the answer. So we will go to the next question. find the difference between the, so I make the table already here to make easy. Find the difference between the number of pizzas shop T. Pizzas are how many? 200. 200 and number of burgers and so 180. The answer difference is 20. Right? You understood, right? So what is the ratio of burgers sold by the Q? Burgers sold by the Q to the number of sandwiches sold by the shop S. Sandwiches sold by the shop S. That is 4 by 1. Find the number of sandwiches sold by Q and S. Sandwiches Q and S, that is 140 is how much percentage of number of pizzas and burgers sold by R, that is 200. Means in 100 by 270. So by 100 out of 100 if they are making 70, that means 70%. See, this is little big question. 4 questions are will be is very easy and 1 question will be little different. So number of burgers sold by the L is 50% more, means 1.5 times of shop R. Shop R burgers how many made? 60. Now on 15 6 are 90. And ratio of sandwiches of R. Sandwiches of R is 140. So what will be the sandwiches of L? 20 times. So L sandwiches is L burgers. 190 plus 160. So total with L is 360. Number of pizzas will be 360 minus 250 is 100. So within 6 minutes, 6 minutes are enough for the DI to solve. Right? I hope you understand the DA how to solve faster. 6 minutes is enough. So now we will solve the 5 missing number series. Same like that with timer. Okay, so let's start. See here 9, 16, 30, 58, 226. See here, like seeing like it double, like take difference first. Plus 7, plus 14, plus 28. See it doubling. 7 7 2s are 14, so 14 2s are 28. So here 56. 56 means 114 here, right? 112 to 26. Got it? You can also do like into 2 minus 2 into 2 minus 2 to 2 also minus 2 also you can do same like that. Another question. 62 comma 125 161 200 242. So check here what it means here. 36 here, 39 here, 42. See here increasing 3, so here also increasing 3, 33. Here also increasing 3, 30. So 30 means 92. Got it? See here 5, 8, 17, 24, 48. See, will first you will take the difference and you will see that 3, 9. See again here 7. Here something is different, is not any relation is there, but you can know the squares and cubes. You can easily get you can get an idea. This is 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, very near numbers to squares, right? 5 square, 7 square, like that. 2 square plus 1, 3 square minus 1, 4 square plus 1, square minus 1. So here what we will get? 6 square plus 1 will get. 6 square plus 1 is 37. Got it? Right. And here also 48, 70, 96, 126, 160. You can check that here. 22, 26, 30, 34. See 4 increasing here, plus 4, plus 4. With that you have to increase plus 4. That is means 198. Here also 50, 20, 12.6, 9 point. Here points are coming means last it's see from 50 to 9.6 means either it will be division or multiplication, something happened here. So points coming means definitely it will be division. So how much it multiplied with 50 to become 20? That is 0.4. Here to here 0.6. From here to here 0.8. From here to here 1.0. So that how much multiply here 0.2. 0.2 means what will be that 250, right? So see within 4 minutes we solved the missing number series. So how much time we did? 6 minutes plus 4 minutes, 10 minutes become. Yeah, become I'm explaining now, say it will take time, right? So this question, see how word problems are very easy, you can do within 40 seconds also. Let's see how to check here. The sum of percentage of a plus b plus c is 68. See, I will take that like this. P present time. The a, let consider the percentage of b is x. Okay. The age of a 4 years hence is 60% more than the present age of b. That means age of a after 4 years is 1.6x. In order to eliminate this 1.6, you can take here as 5x. So what will become 16? 1.6 into 5x means 8, a become 8x. The ratio percentage of b to c is c. Then c here we can write as 11x. 5x, 11x. Find the age of c years ago. See here what is the age of present age of a? 8x minus 4. What is the sum? 11x plus 5x, 16x, 16x plus 8, 24x minus 4 is equal to 68. So 24x is 72, x is equal to 3. x3 means what is the age of c? 30, and 3 years ago means 30, right? It take 1.5 minutes, so but we can complete in less than 1 minute also if you do it fast. See here what is the Maya invested 2p and Leah invested 3p, right? After 8 months Joe and Eva invested themselves p. Joe invested p plus 500 and Eva invested 5p by 2. At the end of the year means they are 12 months. 12 months they joined. After 8 months means remaining months is 4 plus 4. This cancel 3 is also 3. That means 6p, 9p, p plus 500 and 5p by 2. Same, right? So profit of Mia is this. Profit is 7,800, right? 6p profit, 6p is 7,800. What p will become? 1,300. So what will this become? 1,300 means 5, 2, 12, 50. 55s are 3,250. because they asked the profit share of Eva 150, right? This is pipes and cisterns problem. See, pipe P plus Q can fill the tank in 24 minutes and Q can fill in 60 minutes and R can fill in 30 minutes respectively. So we have to find the efficiencies first. So you can common multiple of 24, 60, 30, 120. The efficiency is 5, 2. This efficiency is 4. What is telling? If the efficiency of P is doubled, P efficiency is how much here? Q efficiency is 2 means P efficiency here will be 3. If P efficiency is doubled means 6. R efficiency reduced its half. R efficiency is 4 but reduced its half means 2. Right? So sum of the efficiencies will be, because it's sum of the efficiency why I taken, because time taken by the 5 P and R together. So I taken 6 plus 2 as 8. Then in minute. Right? So this is a simple interest and compound interest problem. So don't fear about this compound, simply easy also. So see 4000, what is 75%? 75% is 3/4. 3/4 only na. 3/4 means he invested 3000. Where in simple interest for how many years? 2 years. What will be the interest then? 300 rupees. Simple interest. And what is the remaining amount? Remaining amount is 1000 rupees, 1/4 left. So 1/4 he invested where? 10% per annum. 10% means for how many years? 2 years. How to find compound interest? That how to, again you have to subtract the principal amount from here. So 1000 to, and this 0 0 cancel. 10 plus 1 11. 11 means 121 by 100 is 21 by is 21 by 100, right? Compound interest is 10% per annum for 3 years. Sorry, for 3 years. So for 3 years means 1331 thousand, right? So 1331 means we subtract this 331 by 1000, again denominator 1000, this 1000 cancel, 331 will be there. So what is sum? Find the interest obtained by both simple interest and compound. 300 plus 331 is, sorry, 631. For 20 balls there, distributed among 70 students. Means 420 balls there. Total 70 students. Boys, 70 student boys and how many? Boys and girls is equal to 20 students there. And each boy get 8 balls. Each girl get 3 balls. Total how many balls? 420 balls. So we have to uh, uh, solve these two equations. So we can write that 3b here, multiply this equation with 3 plus 3 210, right? So this is equation become 210, cancel. This will become 5b, 5 boys, so boys will be 42. Is 42 means girls will be 28. So what percentage number of girls? So number of boys in the class is what percentage of number of girls? So what percentage? 42, 28. Right. Don't my cancel with 2 or 4. You have big numbers. So 7 6 are 7 4s are 4, 25s are 25 6 are 150 percentage. To solve, cancel with big number so that you can time can save. So these are the quadratic equations. Guys, it varies. Out of 5 you can easily solve 3 out of 5 in 1 minute. Really 2 minutes is enough. 3 out of 5. 3 minutes you can solve 5 out of 5 also. So let's solve now. See, minus and plus there. Minus plus means plus plus. Plus plus there. Plus plus means what we will get? Plus plus. Plus 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 with minus minus. So always x greater than. So without any solving, you see, within less than 15 seconds you can solve. Here also minus minus. Minus minus means plus minus, right? Plus minus means minus plus. See, this is greater than this is greater than this. That means relation cannot be determined. So no need to solve the numbers. Here see, plus minus. Plus minus means minus plus. Minus plus means plus plus. So here you have to solve. So 105. 5 over 105, how you will write? 21 into 5. 21, how you will write? 7 into 3. Right? Here what we get? 8 will get. 8 when you will get 5 3 are 15. Big number should have to write first. 15 minus 15 plus 7 minus 8. Right? And here 91. That means 13 into 7 directly. If you know 13 table, definitely you can write directly. 13 into 7. Why 13 into 7? Because 13 plus 7 is 20. 13 into 7. They already equal number there. So x less than equal to y. Right? Again I say minus plus 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 minus plus again plus plus. So 112. 112 is 56 twos. 8 sevens are 56. See, your odd number is a 23. So leave odd number. Don't 8 twos are 16. So 16 plus 7 is 23. In 28, 28 is 7 fours are 7 plus 4 11. 7 and 4. What is greater than x less than equal to y? Last one. The minus plus 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 minus plus 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 19 3 is a 19 plus 3 27. So 19 is the 19 plus 3. By 3 should have to write. Why I am writing by 3? Because here x coefficient by 3. Some 6 point something, here 1. Here 13 tens are, so 13 and 10. See what is the greater one? This is only greater. Less than. See, within 2.5 minutes all 5 are solved. Here how you can solve the, right? I hope you understanding how I am solving, so that we can go forward. So this is Caslett DI. Caslett DI you can solve at last, but now I am solving in off order only. I am solving. So let's start. So there are 4 libraries, A, B, C. There are 4 libraries, and there are cosmic books and the fantasy books and total books, right? What is the link? The cosmic book library is 150, and number of comics books in library is 150. The number of comics books is 50% more than fantasy books. That means if there is 1.5 times of fantasy books, that is 100. Total will become 250. And ratio of comics books to the fantasy books of is 7 is to 5x. This is 7x. This is 5x. So total will become 12x. Right? The total number of comics books and fantasy books in library D is, that means 12x is 240% of total books in A is 250. Cancel, cancel. 12 2 are 2 5 is a 5 is a 50. That means A books will go 350. This is 50. 250. 600. Got it? Right. The number of fantasy books in library C is 4/5 of cosmic books in library D. This is 4/5 of 350 means 4/5 of 350. That is 570s. On 4 is 280. And average number of comics books and fan books in library C is 220. Average is 220 means double 440. So remaining will be 60, 160. Right? The number of comics books and library B is 50% more than the comics book. 50% more is 160 plus half of 160, 80. That means 240. 100 here, 100% more fancy books. 100% more means 280 plus 280 is 500 and 100% more than, this is 100% more than from comics books only, 320. That means 560 total books, right? I hope you understand how to make table from the caslet DI. Go line by line, don't confuse. Take X, if any X, Y you can take, so that it will become easy. So by coming to the question, find the difference between the total number of comics books and fantasy books in library B. Total how much? 560. And the number of comics books in D. How many comics books in D? 350. 560 minus 350 how much? 210. Done, right? Chalo, next question. See, number of comics books in library B. How much comics books in library B? 240. How much percentage more or less than the number of comics books in library A? 150. How much more in B? 90. 90 more. 150 plus 90 is 240 more. What is the percentage? 3 3 is a 3 5. 350 means 3%. Average number of library C. Comics books in library C is 160. The fantasy books in library B. 160 plus 320 is 480. 480 half means 240. No need to put pen on paper. You can solve easy. Don't worry about these questions. Last questions are always three lines question. So it's given that in E, comics books and fantasy books are 100 more than that of library C. That means here 440. 100 more means 540. And ratio number of fantasy books library C. Fantasy books of library C. 80. 70. So fantasy books will become 17. Find the number of comic books. Comics will become 30. Yeah, done. Find the ratio of fantasy books of library D. Fantasy books of library D is 250. The total number of comics books 250. 250 by 250 is 1:1. Right? See, we have completed 25 questions now. Within less than 5 minutes we solved the DI. Right? You have to move forward very fast. Don't stuck. If you stuck, skip that question. Don't stay there. Okay? So solve this question. A boat covers 350 km downstream and came back in 12 hours. The speed of the boat of still water is 5 times more. Not 5 times the speed of stream. It's 5 times more than that of speed of stream. So speed of boat will be 5 times more means 5 times of speed of stream plus speed of stream. Means if you take 6 times of speed of stream. So how it went downstream. Downstream means speed of boat plus speed of stream. Speed of boat is 6x, speed of stream is s. Is speed of stream is, and come back means it is upstream. Upstream it will be subtracted. Speed of boat minus speed of stream. 6x minus s, that is 5s. How much time it will take? 12 hours. This is distance by time. This is distance by speed. This is time. Got it? So here you can cancel with 50. Here you cancel with 70. 50 plus 70 is 120. So speed of stream is 120 by 12, that is 10. Speed of stream is 10 means speed of boat is 3, right? Find the distance covered by the boat in still water in 3 hours. In 3 hours how much hour? Speed into time, that is distance, 180 kilometers, right? The next question. So solve this. The area of right angle triangle is area. This is area. Right angle triangle. Base of right angle triangle is 4/3 of height of. This is height. This is base. 4/3 of height. So 4/3 of height means in order to cancel this fraction I am taking it as 3x. So the base will become 4/3 of 3x is 4x. Right. Area. Of area we will find half into height into base. Base into height. Base is how much? 4x. Height is how much? 3x. It is 150. You can cancel here with 2. You can cancel here with 50. Here cancel with 25. So x square is 25. X is equal to 5. X5 means this is 15. This is 20. So as per the hypotenuse rule, side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. This is 225. 15 square. 20 square means 400. So if we add 625 root of 625 is 25. So what is the perimeter? Perimeter is 25 plus 15 plus 20. 25 plus 15 is 40 plus 20 60. Perimeter. Got it? So this is the next question. So he bought collar with X rupees and he spent 1200 on repair and also he spent 800 on transportation. So how much total cost for his to buy collar? His cost price X plus 2000, right? And he sold at collar at 8400. His SP is 1400, right? How much? What profit of 20%? Profit 20% means this is 1.2 times of CP, right? So cost price will be 7,000. If it is 7,000, x plus 2,000, what is the value of x? Value is 5,000, right? That's it. Very simple. See mixture and allocations. See, very easy question. You can easily solve this. There are 75 liters in the mixture. Divided in the ratio 4 is to 1. That means 4 plus 1, 5 parts. 5 means each part 15. 15 fours are 60. This part is 15. Later is taken out. It does same quantity of water. Repeated one time. That means times they did. Quantity of milk left is 38.4 liters. So milk they are asking. Milk, water. So how much milk initially we have? 60. And how much they removed out of 75 liters? How many times? 2 times. But can how many become? 84. Right? So 6 will cancel 6. 36. 4. Okay, 38.4. This means minus 5 equal to root of 60 by this 0 becomes here 100 will become 10, means 5 equal to 10. 1 minus 8 by 10 is 2 by 10 becomes how many letters they removed? 15 letters. Got it? That's it. If we take in 3 more times, then you can write here as 3. Initial is initial, final is the total, how much they removed times they removed. Got it? This time and speed and distance. So train A, this is platform of 300 meter. Train A is 8/5 of the time taken by the B. So here also phi. So you can take the time taken by the B as 5x. So time taken by the A will become 8x. Got it? Length of the train of A is 180 meters. Length of the train of B is 150 meters. The speed of train A to the B. of A of B is equal to total distance 500 plus 180, 480 time total distance is 450 by time is here variables are cancelling means we cannot determine, we cannot solve this question. So easy, right? You have to find that. So go to next question. So guys, very easy question, simplification scheme. So let's check to how much time it will take to solve these questions. See, 45 by 15, this percentage is cancelled, right? This 13 ones are 13, 5 12 5s are 60, means 15 12s are 180, 3 minus x equal to 6 will become 120. See, in less than 20 seconds can solve each question. Don't, it's very, you have to improve. Don't write more rough work, it will take leads to time waste, so skip that. Do less rough work. So here, see, this is the question. See, 5 square is 25 plus 119, this is 2, 119 plus 2 is 121, this is 121. Got it? 21, this is 25. 121 root is 11, so 36. Root 36 is, so it becomes 6, means the question mark should also will get 6, then it will become 1. That's it. We solve this by 5. This is 5. 5 means this is 30. This is 12. 12 means this is 30. 10. 10 means 110. 10 plus 30 plus 30. 70. Within 15 seconds we solved that. That's it. And this question also. See, this is 13. 5 is a 65. 5 into 8, 400. Keep that. 400 plus 400, 800. This 400, this 400, this 400 cancelled. So left 400. That's it. So question number 35. Here this percentage is there. So 25 to 10 to 100 to x equal to 300. Right? Already here percentage symbol there. This percentage symbol, this 100 remove. 250. This 250 by 100 is equal to 300. This 0 cancel. 5 5s are 5 2s are 5 60s are 2 into 60 is 120. Done. It. The quantity based questions, we have to solve, whether we can solve the question, asked question, we will get the answer with the help of statements or not. That's it. We should not need to calculate the answers, just we have to know whether it is answer is coming or not with the help of statements. Let's see. Mixture is given acid and water 2:1. Quantity of acid in the jar, initially what is the quantity they are asking. Here 20 liters of water is added to the jar, then it becomes, they are adding 20 liters here, then it becomes 1:1. So we take water as x by 2x is 1:1. That means x will be 20. X coming means 2x also will come now. So this statement alone is sufficient. So second statement, 20 liters of acid added to jar, then the resultant mixture is 3 times the, again the ratio given to the quantity of milk and water with the how much they added. So this alone is also sufficient. You can say that either statement 1 or statement 2 alone is sufficient to answer. That's it. You can solve in very less time. Here again, the ratio of time taken by the A alone complete the work to the ratio of time taken to the C alone. Ratio we have to find. Here given A plus B work in 12 days. C complete the work in also 12 days. So how can you take relation between those them? We don't know how much work B is doing. So with the help of this we cannot solve. Here ratio given. A to B is given. It's also given. We know the efficiency of all the three. So we can take the time taken. So statement 2 alone. Statement 2 alone is sufficient to answer. Statement 1 alone is not sufficient to answer. Just we have to know. We don't need to find answers here. Just we have to put whether we can solve with the help of the statements or not. Here again, Anu and Sonu started a business with 2,500 and 4,000. Find the profit of Anu. So here they are given the investment, they are given the time period, and also difference of the Anu and Sonu profit also given. So we will get the answer from here, right? After 4 months, Manu joined with the investment. Total profit is given, but what is the time period they invested not given. So this, with the help of this statement, we cannot solve. So only statement 1 alone is sufficient. So we have to put the answer. No need to find the answer. Just we have to know whether it's statement 1 alone is sufficient or not. That's the job we have to do here. This is the last 2 questions. Again, simplifications came. Do it solve it. See how to will take these points. I will tell you. See x, y. If less than 5.5, we can write it at 5 into 12 above. That means 12.5 above means 13. 30.5 below means 30. Again 15.5 below means 15. And 25.5 above means 26. Sir, how this is the root of 5 and 512? We have to remember the approximations, not simplifications. No, become 8. This is 13 twos are. This is 15 twos are. 5 twos are 10. 10 twos are 20. 28s are 160. Got it? That's it. So last question. So this is the last question. Last question, guys. Solve. How to solve yourself and check the answer. Okay. So in the next video we will solve the reasoning questions. So prepare well, guys. All the best. This is a good opportunity. Start early and also join in Telegram channel. I am providing the current affairs material, current affairs daily highlighted part and daily quizzes. Thank you all.